What's up, guys? So I went ahead and got my Verrados in today from Local Motors, and gotta say, the boxes are pretty awesome. I could only fit one in my car, so I brought one of them with me. I brought the electric one, and I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how they package their Trikes. It's pretty awesome compared to other companies where they use, bubble wrap and peanuts. This is definitely by far the best packaging that I've ever seen for a drift track. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and open it and check it out. What's up? So as you can see, it's got a nice little silhouette of the electric Verrado right on top, which is pretty cool. Lets people know exactly what's in the box. It's got a little play on words right up at the top corner. Is there a Verrado in a box, or are you just happy to see me? Which that's pretty funny. And then on the corner of the box, it also shows which one it is, the electric or the gravity. Inside the box, I got the electric. So if we want to go ahead and take a look inside the box. So we open up the box, and as you can see right off the bat, it's got a nice thick pad of foam protecting everything from the top of the box. Now you got your axle right here that's sitting in a nice molded area to where it's not going to move around on you on shipping. And as you can see, there's absolutely no scratches whatsoever. So let's put this to the side. Next, you're going to go ahead and see nice Local Motors website. It's got the warning information, and it's also got directions on how to install it. And that website right there, it shows you how to build. Alright, take off the big piece of foam, flip it over. I mean, look at that. That's perfect. Your stuff isn't going to go anywhere. Alright, so inside the box, in plastic as well, you got your nice padded seat. They got a variety of different colors. I chose the charcoal to go ahead and go with the black frame. That right there. And next, you got your wheel, which is all wrapped up in the factory plastic and conveniently goes right inside that bearing to where it's not going to move around either. As you can see, everything has its own spot to where, again, it's not going to move around. It's going to be perfectly secure to where nothing's going to get scratched up, dinged up, or anything at all. Let's go ahead and take out the cartwheels, which, look at that. Brand new tires, brand new wheels, everything's new. You don't have to worry about looking ugly while you're drifting. Alright, right here, it's got your battery with a little bit more information. It has all the warnings right there. Got some hardware, got your pegs all wrapped up. And then another nice thing, the handlebars and the wiring is already hooked up right through the forks, so you don't have to worry about any of that stuff. And here's the best part. It's already put together. There's no scratches whatsoever. Look at that. Local Motors in silver. Can't beat that. Anyway, you guys, hope you liked the little unboxing video. Stick around. I'm going to go ahead and put this together.
Need to
mention one more thing. It also comes with everything that you need to go ahead and charge it and go ahead and have some fun. It comes with the keys, definitely don't want to lose those. It comes with the power cord, also the power brick that you just go ahead and plug in. So anyway, you guys, I hope you guys liked the little build, hope you liked the unboxing video, and make sure to go to localmotors.com, use the discount code RUGER, R-U-G-E-R 10 for a gravity version, get 10 bucks off, or go ahead and use Ruger 50 and get 50 bucks off this bad boy right here. Anyway, you guys, hope you guys are gonna go ahead and have some fun, start shredding some PVC. Take care.